Hi, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, advanced clinical nutritionist, and inventor of ASTR. After my second cancer treatment, I used to suffer from chronic pain, migraine, headache, fatigue before I invented ASTR's specialty. If you are looking for a long-term pain relief, I will share with you what over 45 studies conclude is the most effective approach for long-term pain relief. Just click the link on the screen. Do you suffer from neck, back, shoulder, headache, jaw, joint, or muscle pain? Are you tired of going from one specialist to another without experiencing long term pain relief? If so, Aster may be your solution. You can relieve your pain from the comfort of your home by using Aster tools and taking one of our online home treatment programs. Aster treatments take as little as 5 to 10 minutes per day, and most patients experienced significant pain relief within their first 3 sessions. Take a charge of your health today and become part of Aster's community of empowered patients.